Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you, totally profit from them, may find your next great small cap investments Tuesday, May the 22nd. I hope all our Canadian viewers had a fantastic Victoria Day long weekend, and to all our American friends, hope you're getting ready for a great Memorial Day long weekend. But in between, we got 5 great press releases for you coming out of the small cap space. First one comes out of Texas Gulf Energy, trades on the OTCQX under TXGE. They're reporting a 60% increase in revenue to $9.1 million in their first quarter. Their gross profit also increased from $320,000 to $1.96 million. That's up 513%. I love that growth. The company closed yesterday at 17 cents. 20 is on the high, 14 on the low, $10.5 million market cap. Next up, ThermoEnergy Corporation, TMEN, in the U.S., put out their Q1 2012 numbers. The company is involved in the wastewater treatment and power generation technologies. Revenue, $1.688 mil, comes in at 78% increase. Gross profit, $260,000 compared to a loss of $19,000. So they turned that around by about $280,000 in 1 year. Net loss, just 2 cents per share, compared to a loss of 13 cents per share last year at this time. And they also, looks like, close to doubled. Well, I don't want to say doubled. Maybe they're about 60 or 7% increase in their shares outstanding. So even though they increased their shares outstanding, they're still able to bring their net loss down per share significantly by down to 1/6 of what it was. They also had cash on hand as of March 31st of $1.9 million with no secured debt, and the company's market cap of $2.68 million. Just the cash alone gives the company almost for free, and they're growing top line and bottom line really nicely. Definitely one worth taking a look at. Silver Bull Resources, TSX Venture, SVB, and in the U.S., SVBL, SVBL. Resource, looks like they've increased their resources by 39% to 72.1 million ounces of silver in the measured and indicated category, and 10.49 million ounces of silver in the inferred category. This is on their Sierra Mojada project in Mexico. The company closed yesterday, or actually Friday, because it's a Canadian company, at 44 cents. That is its 52-week low. 83 cents is the high. Market cap right now sitting at $59 million. EPM Mining, TSX Venture, EPK, announcing an initial resource estimate. This is a 43101 on their Sevier Lake property in Utah. They've got the mineral equivalent of about 30 million tons of measured plus indicated potash, and they've also got 9 million tons of inferred potash resource. Pretty big numbers there. Lance D'Ambrosio, CEO of the company, this is an excerpt from his quote. He says, "We have an extensive potash deposit." Closed yesterday, Friday, 78 cents. I keep forgetting that Monday holiday in Canada. 78 cents. Their 52-week low is 75, so they're pretty much there. Doesn't mean that it won't go below that, but with a 52-week high of $2, they're significantly off their highs as well. So this may be what the market was waiting for, to see this 43101 come out. And finally, International Northair Mines. We've actually traded this before in the past. Very volatile mover back in 2011. INM on the venture. They announced that they intersected 17.25 meters of 155.2 grams ton of silver at their La Chingada project in Mexico. No position at this time or any intention such. They closed Friday 21.5 cents. 18 was their low, 52-week. 83 cents was their high. In fact, that's where we traded out. We got lucky on that one. Market cap $15 million. Definitely worth taking a look at, because we know a lot of these venture companies are definitely being beaten up in a big way over the last couple of months. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Don't forget about our sponsors, Sonomax Technology, trades on the venture exchange on the stock symbol SHH. They are the holders of one of the best hearing technologies, if not the best hearing technology in the world. So definitely go take a look at them and thank them for being a sponsor. Have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.